to run the bass low.
Hi everyone, my name is Brian. Today is my second tutorial on making the structures and finding easy stuff like the basics. Um, yeah, so first of all we will open Prodigy Debugger, and the layout doesn't look like this, but click on the window, close all, and also exit the project and everything. Click on the X so you don't have anything else. Now click on window, new view, and click on memory. Set the columns to 16 and resize it. By the way, that's my personal layout. You don't have to have it like that, but you will need these windows. So get a register window, resize, and also your register windows will not look like this, but I will show you how to. So you can make custom windows, because gray text on white was really not cool. Um, and as well as really hard to see. So make a breakpoints window, and finally, it's optional but really hates people who knows PPC, is a disassembly window. Also resize the breakpoints a little bit and make disassembly bigger. Alright, that should be your layout. To make the text white on black, which is easier for my eyes, you can get on tools, options, fonts and colors, show settings for registers or memory locals, anything. Registers, this is the background and this is the text. You can even put it something like yellow. Yay. Anyways, now click on the X so it will save the layout, and open it back to make sure it's perfect. Alright. Now get in a game. By the way, when you mod with all my tutorials, you can be in offline like LAN party. So I'm in LAN party actually and on free fall. So let's make a dump of the memory. Why making the dump? Because it's easier to find something with Xeditor on your PC than searching over LAN with the debugger. Like it could take 10 minutes on the debugger, it's really deep in the memory, and it will take like 30 seconds for your Xeditor. Searching over Wi-Fi or Ethernet cable is really not recommended. So for dumping your memory, I highly recommend NetCheat PS3 Master. You can Google it and you'll find many results. NetCheat is way much better than my tool. Mine is like really ghetto. I made it up in like 5 minutes just to dump something, and I use it because it's really simple. I open it, press on dump memory, select your destination. Mine will be on my desktop called Ghost 109 dump.binary, and I will save it. Now it could take like 2 minutes, 3 minutes maybe. It's NetCheat could take like 2 minutes to maybe 1 if you have a really fast connection. It really depends. So meanwhile we'll make a structure for G and tidy. Structure G and tidy S structure for the player state S, and I'm thinking, shall we include the function in the structures or in a class? Let's make a class. Alright, public class. Let's call it like player. Alright. Now we'll put a unsigned integer, call it G and tidy equal. Let's put it for 0x0 for now. Put a comma. Now the size, which will be 0.0 for now, and that's it for now. I'll also put it for the player state. Alright, now save everything. That's perfect. Oh, by the way, something else. Make a unsigned integer called get um, with an argument which is int client, and it will, well, should just put it one line. It should return not p, this. So it should return um, oh, come on, player state plus client times the size. This will return the player state for anything which will be useful for our functions. So Control C, Control V, and change player state for GNTV on this one. So yeah, it doesn't change. Alright. Save everything, and this is my dumb done. Not yet. I will pause the video for now and be right back. Oh wait, never mind. Actually, we will find GNTidy and player state meanwhile. So open up IDE. Uh, this is not really the official way to find the GNTidy. It's just an easy way to find it, like kinda ghetto and will not work on every Call of Duty, but you can develop your own ways. So get in the strings view, press Alt T, or search and search for the substrings, and this is the text we'll enter, scr underscore %s, and press OK. Now you have this three string, and you will get the scr underscore % and underscore score limit. Double click on it. Now you will get it experience sub 24a whatever. Double click on it. Now if you get on your graph overview, you shall see all these boxes, and you will drag the box like maybe this one, no, next one, like in the middle, I think. Yeah, this one is perfect. Alright, you will have three anch, this one, and this one. I have no idea what this one is, but if we check on, well, if you read the PPC and you try to follow everything like R3, R30, and R6, you'll see that they will match with the size of the GNTidy and the size of player state. For now, you can just screenshot this and you'll know the first one is GNTidy and the second one is player state for Ghosts. And if you get on the box here, you will see that the first anch is GNTidy and the second anch is the player state. As I said, it's not official ways to find them, but it's really easy to find your own ways. You can press on X while clicking on the GNTidy and find any X reference or anything, and try to find something that will be unique, and you will be able to find it on other codes or other updates. Like, I don't know, all these arguments. This is pretty much unique. If you find a function with all of these and that looks like it, well, you could try to find the anch for GNTidy. There will not be the size though. So let's see if there's something else. So yeah, I think my way is like the easiest way you can get for now. So yeah, go back to your score limit and it will be this box. Try to take a screenshot or something. It's this box. So copy the GNTidy address and put it in your program. as the GNTidy. The size will be 0x280 as we saw it in IDA 280, and 3700 will be the player state size. And for the player state it will be for F43B0, I think, not sure. F43B00, yeah. Alright, so our structures are done, which is awesome. Now, is my memory dump complete? Yeah, it took me 3 minutes 47 seconds, which is awesome. Now you will save this. Also, this takes like 4 gigabytes, I think. Yes, 4 gigabytes. So make sure you have enough space. I should have said that before, but I think everyone will have 4 gigabytes free on their hard drive. So now, yeah, you can open it, and to see if the dump is perfect, you go to the address 10,000 with the size, the length of 1. Press OK, and you should see .elf, which is the error of your eboot. Well, actually your default np.self, but .elf. So this is your actual memory in your PS3. When searching for something, it will be way much faster. Also, it appears like everything is 0 bytes, but it's just because the memory is really huge, and I dumped a lot, which is not even in the real memory. Like if we go on some address like this one, it will show up as dddddd, which is a bad address. Like nothing is there. So yeah, and we can see some awesome stuff there. Alright, so now I will get game capture for using my stuff. Alright, now what we can do is to well, go to the GNTidy actually. 0 E 3B00. That's the player set, I think. No. Oh wait, it's E0. Is it? It looks like it. Alright. Also, an easy way for the player state to find it is it will be right up here. This is called a pointer. Like if you follow the pointer, this will be your player state. But yeah, um, go back to GNTidy, and I don't know if I have enough time. Oh, I will do it on the next tutorial, finding the values for GNTidy and player state. See you soon, guys.